channel today. I am Miss Shim, owner of shimmerelegance.com, where we provide women's wigs, accessories, and beauty products. So today I want to share with you one of my recipes, only 4 ingredients, take less than 7 minutes, 8 minutes typically to make, and under 150 calories. So let me share with you the ingredients that we are going to need. We are going to need some whipped cream. We are going to need some lemon juice. We're going to need some dessert shells. And we are going to need some fresh strawberries. So I have already prepared a plate that has just some pre-cut shortcake in it. So we're just going to go ahead and finish up here. We're going to go ahead and start chopping up our strawberries first. Okay, and we're just going to go ahead and chop those up. Okay, we don't need to use the whole entire pack, but we're going to use the majority of it. And on how we're feeling about how it's looking. If it looks full, if it looks skimpy, we'll add some more. Like I said, this is a very, very easy recipe. Doesn't take very long. Just 4 simple ingredients. Under 150 calories. You can't lose with that. No big back here. But anyway, we'll go ahead and continue chopping up our strawberries. These are some very fresh strawberries. If you can see them, let's hold a few up here. I'm going to chop them up fine like this. Not too thin, not too thick. Chop up maybe a couple more. Okay, that looks good. Let's just throw in 1 extra one. Make sure you have plenty. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put these strawberries to the side. And we're going to go ahead and work on our shortbread. So let's go ahead and put these strawberries here to the side. So we took enough out that we need. We'll go ahead and start opening the shortbread, and we're just going to dice these up in some small little sizes. Just go ahead and open this here, put that to the side. Okay, and push our strawberries up. And we'll start chopping our shortcakes up. Pack comes with 6 in it. You can use 1 pack, you can use 2. It's totally up to your preference. So I typically just cut them down the middle, dice them up some more till they're about this size here. Put them in our plate here. Just dice the rest up. Put them in here with the rest. Dicing them until we have them all chopped up here. That looks good. That looks full. Then the next thing that we want to do is we want to make a little puree to go on top of the shortcake. So in a blender, what we're going to do is are going to add maybe about 5 or 6 regular strawberries. Drop them on in there. I'm going to add a little lemon juice. Not too much. Then we're going to add a little whipped cream. just put it on low. Don't put it on low. Arrange that perfect. Okay. That looks good. Our parfait is done. As you can see, it's not completely liquid. You have the little tiny chunks of the strawberry that's still in here, and that's good. So what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to pour this right on top of our shortcake bread. Just going to drizzle it across. Okay, that looks good. Put that to the side there. And this is how it's going to look. We're going to add our strawberries on top, and we're just going to go ahead and spread them all around till the top is full to our liking. Some of these are kind of big, so I'm just going to go ahead and chop some in half. We got another 3 or 4 left in the pack, so we definitely will not run out, but we're going to go ahead and chop these in half. We're going to put these on top, just like that. It's coming along just beautiful. Let's get a sneak peek in. This is our parfait. It's coming along just great. Looks amazing, right? So we're going to go ahead and top that off with some whipped cream. And did you know this whipped cream is only 15% calories? That is very low. As I said, no big back here. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and we're just going to put whipped cream all over the top, just going from side to side. No fancy design, just going from side to side, and then you can take it around the angle and go all the way across on each corner. Okay, that looks good, and we're going to go ahead and put this over to the side. We're done with our whipped cream. This is the look that we have. We got the shortbread on the bottom. We have the parfait in the middle. We have the whipped cream on top. And then we are going to top it off with some chunks and pieces of strawberry. So let's go ahead and chop up some of this here. These look good, nice and bright and red. And like I said, this is very simple, low calories. Just sprinkle it over however you want to sprinkle it. And you just cannot do it with strawberries. You have the other option where you can also put blueberries on it. You can also put other fruit like kiwi or peaches or the little tangerines. It's up to your likings. Parfait is very light, tasteful, low calories, and very quick. A simple parfait strawberry. This is our finished result. I thank you guys for joining me today. I hope everyone is having an awesome Saturday. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. Once again, I am Miss Shem from Shimmer Elegance. The website is shimmerelegance.com. Please like, share, and subscribe.